Touching your aura.
Touch my aura.
Oh, my hand's got an aura.
Jose's over that way. He's from 13 Fishing. Tonight we're going for tarpon. It is, let me check my watch, 9 o'clock. A little past 9, it's almost 10 now. We're going out of, I don't even know what park this is. We're near St. Pete though, so there's crickets all over the place. Always wanted to catch a tarpon. Before the trip, Landon asked me, he's like, is there one fish that you really want to catch on this trip? And I said tarpon. And hopefully tonight is the night. You guys are gonna see me freak out if I catch one of these fish. And Alex knows I don't freak out much. If I catch a tarpon, I'm gonna freak out. All right, we're gonna go catch up with Jose.
We're stoked. Yeah, glad to have you guys out. Hop on board and get the rest of the stuff ready and reach out to
All right, you need help with anything else, or?
No, I'm good. I just gotta pull the truck up and grab a couple last things.
This boat is beautiful. It's got me reminded. Wow. That at a light, move on. That means there's no. I mean, we didn't see anything. That'll work. Just gotta come really slow, not flat. Very big.
Sorry, bud. You done.
Cameraman is stranded without his camera.
Oh, he stroked it too.
That's a good one.
Yeah, nice little guy.
Awesome.
It's a male.
And what did he eat?
He ate a prototype swim bait. They kind of change colors based on the water that they're in.
Okay.
So when they've been out here in the beach for a while, they turn really white, silver.
Gotcha. First fish for you. I got my stinky ladyfish. Now I got a tree fish in the boat.
Just hit here and suck on my thumb until they're nice and comfortable.
So you're not even holding it?
To the depths. Sweet. Cameraman Alex, how's it going?
You just have like pure anxiety when someone just picks up on a fish and you don't have the camera in your hand. Yep. That's what I'm feeling.
It was literally as soon as he jumped up on there, Jose hooked up to a fish. So Should I give you the camera? Do you want it back? Fishing, right?
Yeah, man. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. So it's always fun. At least we got some fish.
Yeah, we got 2 fish.
Yeah,
so
there you go.
the ladyfish, which
Yeah,
you know, it counts for something, right?
there you go.
Well, drive safe and keep in touch. Hopefully,
Sounds good. I'll go get a
Fishing
couple hours of
sometime
sleep
soon.
and
Get
get back to
to work.
it. Yeah. See you guys.
Later.
have a good one. It's tarpon fishing deals, no joke. That was brutal. Had basically one good shot, and the fish came up to it, looked at it, swam with it for a little bit, and then just ditched. And it was a 100+ pound fish, so that always breaks your heart a little bit when you see that happen. But lined a few of them, hit a few pilings, had some other good casts, but it was just wasn't meant to be tonight. So the tarpon quest continues here. So that's going to end it for our time here in Tampa. Alex and I have an actual free day tomorrow, so we have nothing planned. We plan on sleeping. That's what we plan on doing. Catching up on emails, catching up on work that we got to do on the side. The ANGLR Tour will catch you guys when we head out to North Carolina. Big board back in the water. Good peacock here.